The fundamental unit of life? Cell. So in this chapter you have studied its discovery, Robert Hooke discovered cell in 1665 AD. He observed the thin slice of cork and found structures like honeycomb. He observed this compartment like small compartment like a structure as cell. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, all the organisms, whether they are unicellular or multicellular, they are made up of cells. So, even an unicellular organism has got its body made by cells, as well as the multicellular organisms have also got their body made by cells. Now, shape and size of cell. Cells are of different shapes and size, both in animals as well as plants. This is a smooth muscle cell. is nerve cell. This is RBC of human cell. This is human sperm cell. So you can see in human body different cells have got different shape. Now in unicellular organism also cells have got certain shape. In multicellular also cells have got certain shapes. Yeah. After this, size of cell. What? Size of cell. You have been already discussed. Different cell have got different size. In human being, sperm cells are smallest in size. Somewhere you will also found RBC. Actually, a sperm cell, when it is not taken from the collar, then it is only this much portion is taken, then it is the smallest cell. If from here to here up to neck it is taken, then in that case RBC will be the smallest cell. So it depends on concentration. But better you answer RBC. RBC. Take RBC as the smallest cell in human being. Largest cell in human being, ovum. Largest cell in human being, ovum. Now prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells. What? Prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Hey, for prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, you can say prokaryotic cells. Here prokaryotic cells, pro means primitive, old, carrion means nucleus. It means prokaryotic cells are not advanced cell, not well developed cells. Prokaryotic cells have nucleus without nuclear membrane, cell organelles may lack membrane bonded structure. Generally, very small in size and found in unicellular organisms or organisms of lower group. Eukaryotic Eukaryotic cells are found in are also called modern cells. What? Eukaryotic cells are also called modern cells. These cells are well developed and called advanced cell. What? Called advanced cells. The organisms possessing these cells are called eukaryotes. Actually, protozoa are eukaryotes. Mostly their body is made up of single cell. Their bodies are made up of single cell, but within a single cell they have got different cell organelles which perform different functions required for the sustenance of life. For example, amoeba. Now, is it clear? Eukaryotes. Now, after prokaryotes and eukaryotes, After prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Now we'll study parts of cell. Hey, parts of cell. A cell can be mainly divided into three regions. One, the first part is cell membrane or plasma membrane. Second one is cytoplasm. Third one is nucleus. Now, cell membrane. What? Or plasma membrane. It is selectively permeable membrane. It is outer boundary of animal cell and second outer cover in plant cell. In plants, shell wall is the outer cover. Hey, here, so plasma membrane clear. Now cytoplasm. What? Cytoplasm means you can say protoplasm and different cell organelles which lie between between plasma membrane and nuclear membrane constitute the cytoplasm. Means cytoplasm includes protoplasm and all the cell organelles which are found between plasma membrane and nuclear membrane. So if we draw the diagram of a cell, this is nucleus, this is around the nucleus, this is protoplasm. If this is cell membrane, this is nuclear membrane, and all the substances like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, vacuoles, lysosome, and different and others, they together form what? Cytoplasm. Means between this membrane from here to here, between this region, whatever is there, that all together forms the cytoplasm. I think now you might have got the idea what should we say cytoplasm, or what is cytoplasm called. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Any problem to anyone?
No, sir.
So I think now, so protoplasma membrane clear, cytoplasm clear. Now one thing which I have to say here, may I have it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How does the substances move from cytoplasm to the external area of the cell, or how does substance from outside the cell enters into the cytoplasm? Can anyone tell me? Of course there are two things, the gaseous substance diffuse, the liquid substance gases through osmosis. What? Osmosis. Now, so here you need to understand what is diffusion and what is osmosis. The movement of gases from higher concentration to lower concentration is termed as diffusion. Osmosis. The movement of particles from higher concentration to lower concentration through a membrane is called osmosis. Is it clear? Any confusion to anyone? So now it means osmosis will take place only when there will be difference in the concentration on both the side of the membrane. Na? If the concentration of liquid, the substance, is same inside the cell and outside the cell, then at that time there will be no net movement. There will be no net movement, no osmosis. So if there is isotonic solution means two solutions which have same concentration or equal concentration are called isotonic solution. So if the solution is isotonic in nature, at that time there will be no osmosis. If solution outside the cell is of more concentration, that is hypertonic, then at that time the movement of particles takes place through the membrane, that is called endosmosis. When the concentration of substance inside the cell is higher in comparison to the concentration outside the cell, at that time the substances move from cytoplasm and passes through the shell membrane and finally reaches outside the cell. This movement of cell from cytoplasm to outside the cell is called exosmosis. What? Exosmosis. Exosmosis takes place when the concentration of substance is more inside the cell and less outside the cell. Got it? So I think today, for today, we should stop here, wind it up here now. Any problem? I hope all of you might have enjoyed the revision.
Yes, sir.
So now onward, you have to be present in maximum number. Otherwise there will be loss to you all. Isn't it, guys? Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take a very good care of yourself and all your family members too during the period of pandemic. Okay. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, everybody.